Hey guys, my name is Justin Rosales, and today I want to help you save money. Amazon has this incredible feature that actually gives Amazon Prime customers in the US 2% back off of every purchase they make through Amazon. So if you are somebody that has Amazon Prime and does not have this set up yet, you could be missing out. You are missing out on 2% back on every purchase that you're making. So I want to show you how to do this. You don't need a credit card. This is simply through a standard US banking account and debit card. So let's jump in.
All right. Now, before you can start making 2% back on every purchase, you'll need to enable this feature on your Amazon account. I have included the direct link in this video's description if you want to jump in from your phone, your computer, or whatever you'd like. First, you will need Amazon Prime. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you already have it. But if you don't, no worries. You can explore what that looks like using that sign up for Prime button. Now, if you have Prime set up and you're already logged in and you're viewing this page from that, well, it's basically time to set up your 2% rewards. You'll simply need to click on that and link your US banking account, routing number, debit card number, and your US driver's license. And after that, you're ready to roll. Now, the way this feature works is Amazon basically gives you a virtual gift card that you can use whenever you want, however often you want to make purchases. Every amount you add to it, you get 2% back in Amazon credit. You know, some companies might force you to reload a specific increment, like you got to do $5, $10, $100, whatever it is. Amazon doesn't really care. You can actually reload whatever you want, whenever you want, however often you want. You can also set it up to automatically reload. It's completely your call. If you want to automatically do that, you can do that right from this screen. It'll ask you to do that, but I personally reload it manually. I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second, but I just want to let you know too, if you have questions like why does Amazon want me to share my US banking account, all that type of stuff, frequently asked questions, Amazon is ready for those. It put it on this page. You can just scroll down and go ahead and look for those. But I want to go ahead and show you now how to be able to make purchases and how to be able to kind of get that 2% back, and specifically the way that I do it. Again, you can reload automatically if you'd like, but let's jump in. So the first thing you need to do is shop. So let's pretend you already done that and you have stuff in your cart and you're ready to check out. For me, I recently bought a Google Nest Mini and my wife wants me to hide the cord. So I'm going to get this accessory that does that and hits proceed to check out. Okay, so on this total review page, you can see I have some money left over from the last time I did this trick right here where it says gift card. But the important thing to remember right now is the order total right here. This is how much we're going to add to our gift card, which will also give us money back. All right, so let's do that. Let's go back. And then in the top left-hand corner, hit that horizontal line. We are going to go down to gift cards and registry. And then once this loads, hit reload your balance. And then we're simply going to type in the amount that we just remembered from the order. So that is $5.45 for me personally, but whatever it is for you, you'll add in. And you do want to make sure that your primary card is selected. Mine's hiding my personal information, but your primary card is the one that needs to be selected to be able to reload properly. And then just hit reload. It'll show the amount with 2% back. And then there it is. Now I know it says it could take up to 5 minutes to show up in your account, but for me, it's always there in seconds, unless I'm using an amount that is larger than $250. At that point, Amazon actually flags it and it can take up to 4 hours. But honestly, even when that happens, it still takes like an hour max for me to be able to see it. All right, anyway, now that we've purchased the amount, let's go back to the cart in the top right-hand corner, proceed to checkout. And there we go. So the gift card has now been added, the order total is now 0, and we have successfully received 2% back on the money we were putting toward this purchase. Now the only thing left to do is to place your order. And that is it. It's on its way. Again, this last part was me showing you how I personally do it, but you're certainly more than welcome to set up auto reload if you'd like, so you don't have to worry about doing it manually each time you want to make a purchase. Now, I personally like seeing money saved every time I check out, which is why I do it the way I just showed you. Anyway, if this was helpful or if you have any questions at all, feel more than welcome to comment, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.